What's up, guys? It's my mother's birthday. It's June 21st. It's Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a great day because, yeah, it's National Go Skate Day, and yesterday was the first day of summer, so, yeah, y'all should be having a good day.
Sorry, Dorothy, you can't go with
I can't go with her. Nope, no story with me right now. I'm staying with Penelope. Okay, okay, I'll be back. It's like 100. Yeah, it's really 100. Something for like legalization for papers on a car.
Huh?
Something for like legalization for papers on a car, I think, like insurance or something. Whew, god damn, it's hot. God, you don't know how hot it is, guys. It is fucking burning. Like, maybe over 100 degrees out here, maybe not. I just know it's very hot. Up in Family Dollar with Dorothy, Kenny, Mason's wife.
I just know I'm gonna be on Mom's keys. What's on my neck?
Oh my god! Okay, look at this, guys. On Mom's keys, there's a freaking horseshoe. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. And then there's a horseshoe on her necklace. That's so cool. How ironic. Wow. I didn't even notice that.
I didn't even know.
It's getting to pretty much flip-flop season.
Huh?
It's getting like so hot where you could wear flip-flops.
Yeah, I have flip-flops. So we go back to Family Dollar, but they're giving me blisters on my feet.
Ah. But yeah, happy birthday, Mother. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Huh. Lady is freaking out, Mama. She only knew my name was Dorothy. She's really freaking out. Oh.
I was up in the morning making a live video. I made a whole hour-long video for my mom.
Yeah?
Yeah, on Facebook. She's probably all sleeping. She probably didn't even see it. It's so hot. We need popsicles. Popsicles. They don't have the ones that we want. Those are the only popsicles we see. There might be some in King Supers. The unfortunate thing about buying popsicles, I gotta wait for them to freeze.
Huh?
So yeah, my mother, she's turning around maybe 51 today.
51?
Yeah, half a century old. That's like...
51?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be 55, dude.
Gotta have paper towels.
You know how I am. I'm gonna use them motherfuckers up.
Yep. They're freaking, it's worth it. They're good to use.
Yeah. Sanitary everything.
Mountain Dew. Then again, the only time I got a sweet tooth is when I'm playing Twisted Metal.
Yeah, baby. I'll show you more.
All this candy. My teeth just hurts looking at it.
I went to Family Dollar for Thornton and then
Big ones.
got all these full candies for like 25 cents. A great big roll of
Smarties you pop like Xanax. Those Smarties you pop like E-pills. Those Smarties you pop like...
This is your candy bag. I just didn't want it to melt.
Ritalin. I once seen this kid in 4th grade snort some Smarties. I didn't think he could do it, but I gave him $5 afterwards. Have some cherry flavored water with some dabs.
40, 65.
You have a great day. Who knows what happened to this door? Sorry. Somebody literally broke into Family Dollar over the weekend. They're like, I don't got Comic-Con tickets. I gotta go get a Family Dollar.
Fucking, I'll give you some living hell.
Just let somebody fuck with the
I'll let
homegirl.
2 or 3 of them in your house. I'm gonna shut down a fucking state office if I let it.
She'll put a farm of freaking bugs up in your house. You just be careful who you mess with. You'll mess with Dorothy. I wish that I had Jesse's girl. I'm Jesse. Me. Did you want me to take that cart with us or no?
It's probably hot. Right?
Yeah. It feels really great in here. Looking for Bush's baked beans. That family recipe, y'all know what I mean? Again, Mom, I want to tell you happy birthday. You raised 4 children that are already grown, and I am very proud to say thank you. Because, one, your oldest, Susie, who is 34, she's already grown, she graduated, and yeah, she's living her life.
Huh?
As the second oldest son, Polo, he already has his own family. That makes it really great for you because it makes you a grandmother. And I know for a fact you're happy to be a grandmother. And I'm pretty sure it took a lot of strength and courage for you to raise a child with cerebral palsy. But Geraldine, she was a very good daughter to you. I know she couldn't walk or talk, but she could smile and make face expressions. I remembered that. She loved you. And then there's me, your youngest son. I love you, you know.
I want some oranges to go with this. Did you try the oranges and bananas yesterday?
Have you ever tried banana pancakes?
I make a marshmallow pancake. With marshmallow there. Kenny didn't even like pancakes when he got a present. That's all I have. Threw in there. Oh my god. Put some bacon, put some bacon in it with the marshmallow. It's stickier than hell. It's like fucking good. Oh my god.
That sounds amazing. Love you. Today is your day, Mom. And don't let anybody ruin it. Then again, for the people that are watching on the vlog, be happy, smile, and don't let anybody mess up your day because it's summer. Yesterday was the first day of summer, guys. The cool thing about coming to King Supers is that there's rotisserie chickens a la carte, baby. As much rotisserie chickens you can handle, baby. I just smell that chicken and I want to rip the skin off of it and just nom 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 nom. That's what I want to do. I don't care about cherries as long as I get some. Strawberries! I want some strawberries. Strawberries. Ah, Oreos sound amazing.
Scan your shopper's card or 123 rewards. Scan barcode, enter item code, or search by name or picture, then press done. Place item on scanner. Place the item in the bagging area. Otherwise, choose place item in cart and place the welcome valued customer. Scan your item or choose an option below.
I never knew that. Somebody called my house. I was married to my first husband, and asked me about it. Now I know. New code on the mid tape. Yes.
But there's a barcode.
Yeah, just 1237. They're marked down.
Scan barcode, enter item code, or search by name or picture, then press done.
Bring the other one too.
Place the item in the bagging area.
135.
Otherwise, choose place.
Okay. Now see the sleeve that talks on here? Please put the item in the bag. That's somebody's wife.
That's somebody's wife that did that.
Gotta be somebody's wife. Please put the item in the bag.
Yep. And these will go by themselves?
On the bottom now. Down here.
Bless you.
If you have coupons, press the coupon button. Otherwise,
Real
select your
quick.
method of payment.
Okay, what was that the other score? 93? Wasn't it?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It was, wasn't it?
Yep.
That's just like Jesse. That's freaking me out.
Oh.
Insert coins first, then insert bills. Use the avoided item tooltip. Please remove the last item from the bag.
It's about the food. And when I have money, I don't have a problem buying it, you know?
Right.
You know, I like to eat my peanut butter out of the jar. That's why I keep my empty jar back there and I take it out of there. You guys don't want my nasty spoon in your peanut butter, you know?
If you have coupons,
I suppose.
press the coupon button. Otherwise, select your method of payment. Slide your card and follow the instructions on the pin pad.
Thank you, Abby. She told me to have a good day. I'm gonna have a good day because she told me to have a good day. Yeah. She told me to have a good day, so I'm gonna have a great day. So yeah, Mom, you raised 4 children, and now you're gonna be a comedian. I'm very proud of you. Like, you don't know how proud I am. I love you, Mom. Just makes life easier.
But it's funny, you know, that's funny about when pills and you got like cushion size, and there's a multiple bottles in like popping pills and drinks.
Wow. But after 34 years, 4 children, and who knows what else, you're a year older, Mom. You gotta be happy and be proud. Because you're a very strong woman. You've done it all. And yeah, I'm gonna take a massive dab for you when I get home because you're my mom and you deserve the best. The best vibes, the best talk, pep talk, whatever. It's your day, you know? You're turning 53 today. I'm so happy for you. Like, so happy. Out of all your kids, I'm pretty sure I'm the most happiest because, yeah, like I said in my Facebook Live video, you're 1 year older, but then again, you're 1 year closer to leaving this earth, and it's gonna be really sad. Not fully sad because, you know, you'll be happy, like, yeah, but I love you, Mom, so much. National Selfie Day, guys. It's also National Skate Day, and it's also my mom's birthday, so that's 3 things. Yesterday was the first day of summer, but still, National Selfie.
Full moon, too.
Yep, dude. I love full moons.